YouTube, man, it is your boy Hollywood Troy back with yet another video, you guys. Today I finally got my hands on the recently released Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Let's get it. YouTube, I finally got my hands on the 2025 edition of the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, and let me tell you guys, man, this right here was a struggle, but I did finally get mine. And of course, I got mine from Denim Exchange. This is why I didn't have the sneaker, because I didn't go to no other store. Denim Exchange had a very late shipment, most likely due to probably the holiday week. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I was sitting there a little bit salty because everybody was already just flexing the sneaker early or got them on release date. But now they are here, and trust me, man, this is worth the wait. Delayed, yes, man, that had me a sneakerhead just heartbroken. But when you finally unbox them in that all black nubuck, just really hits different in person. Honestly, man, I thought MJ himself was testing my patience. Like, bro, you want the Black Cats? Nah, you gotta earn them. So we all know that they released November 28th during the Black Friday with a price point of $225. The sneaker is decked out with that premium black nubuck upper, classic Air Jordan 4 wings, netting, and overlay. Light graphite Jumpman on the tongue, Nike Air branding on the heel. Big change from the 2020 retro. First dropped in 2006. Inspired by MJ's nickname Black Cat, representing his agility, stealth, and killer instinct. So one thing I've been hearing that sneakerheads have been swearing that this sneaker right here squeaks when you walk. So yeah, you might not want to be sneaking up on anybody, but of course I will be testing this theory myself. The beauty of the Black Cat Force is very versatile. All blacks means you can literally just rock this sneaker with anything. Jeans, joggers, even a suit. They're the definition of a low-key flex. They look very chill, but of course every sneakerhead know that you holding that heat. And we all know that this sneaker right here didn't chase the trend. It literally started the trend on through TikTok itself in 2020. So we are going to be talking some numbers as far as the resale value of the sneaker. Now we all know that previous Air Jordan Black Cats are up there in that $600 probably to like $800 range. I haven't looked in a while, but we all know that this sneaker did retail for $225, and I've seen that for right now to this day that for my size for the sneaker that it is going for a bit over retail, sitting at $311. Not too crazy, but it's still a nice little bump. But if you are rocking a smaller foot, like a 5.5, you're looking at a crazy bump that is really up there with the 2020 version, and that is sitting at a $624 mock-up. That's basically double retail. And we all know that smaller sizes always tax heavy because supply is limited and the demand is high. So even after the delay, the waiting, I finally got my Black Cat 4s. And honestly, I would have to say it is worth every second. The sneaker is stealth, history, and height all roll in one. And I would be giving this sneaker a 10 out of 10. Now, salute to everyone out there if you did and was able to cop this sneaker. But if you did miss out, man, just keep your eyes open on that resale market. But you might want to be ready to pay that cat tax depending on the size of your sneaker. Drop a comment down there, man, in the comment section, man, if you think the Black Cat 4s are the best Jordan 4 colorway, or if you're still loyal to the OGs like the Bread, Military Blues, and of course the White Cement. This is your boy Hollywood Troy. I am about to be gone, but please don't forget to hit that like as well, and of course subscribe, man, if you are messing with this video and you did get a pair of the Black Cats, or even if you didn't, still hit that subscribe, man, so you don't miss out on no more other videos, man, no more sneaker reviews or just sneaker talk and sneaker culture, period. I am out. Peace, man. Love you guys.